Yeah, welcome back, folks. Hope everyone's doing well. We are going to...
My mother wanted me to be a farmer, but I get my hands dirty in other ways. Touch me again and there'll be consequences.
Oh, stop it. What is it? Lighten up, Francis. The steps down. They're here. This is the steps down. There they are. Alright, so we're...
More bodies getting shite done never hurt anything.
We're going to go check on Nadia. That's the mission we got. Level 6. Moving right along here. Greenwich is the most highly irradiated borough of London. Like, or Greenwich. Don't think I've really run into that yet. Might be areas of it that I haven't been to. Oh, great. Rain. Everything's still there. We came down this way.
Did your mom teach you better?
And we did go into the Hound. I don't think I need to sneak. Or don't know where Churchill is. 7 o'clock in the morning. It's pouring rain. We got to come straight down. Take a little jog down to this area down here. It looks like there's a bunch of different things down here. Oh, I don't want this out. Anything over here? This, to me, looked like it was a dead end on the map. Well, no, I might be able to cut across here. I don't know. It looks like the street is off to my left. Discovered probably. I'll take that. Oh, well. Yeah, I guess it is sort of a dead end here. Churchill Library. Okay. Scavenger. Let him go. Where is my dog? My dog hiding. Well, I'm not going to go into the Churchill Library. That's not the mission. The mission is this way. Back to the rifle. Load it. Okay, that's the vendor. I don't need to do anything with him. Got in here. Glade. vents. Like a coffee shop or something? No. Okay. Over in here. Tin. Pot. Sugar. A souvenir, a Fallout London souvenir coffee cup. I like it. I like the weather effects too. That's really awesome. Fallout London. I like that. Yeah, just very cool details that they drop into this game. So we got a. I don't care about the cola bottle. He's just hanging out over here. Probably doesn't want to get wet.
Got the finest suits of armor in these here parts, I tell ya. Got plenty of stock. Take your pick.
I don't want to deal with these. Fire rate of 0. I'm going to keep damage of 31. I'm going to keep the grenades. Want this? No, not really. Okay, so what have you got? Children's clothes. Coastal armor. A Gallipoli armband. Interesting. I already got one of those. Heavy trapper right leg. It's better than what I have. What am I running on my right leg? It's a big boost. It's heavy. Ooh, what's this? Riot Police Under Armor. That's better. That's way better than what I've got. Let's take this. My running left leg. Lightweight hardened hooligan left leg. Sell this. Buy one of those. I'm keeping my fedora. Get rid of these beans. Wow. I didn't know I had one of those. Okay, that works. What does that put my my armor class up to now? 54, 42, and 10. Oh, I'm missing a there we go. 37, 48, and 10. And I still don't know where Churchill is off to. We're getting close to this place. Like another. This. Droid. Oh, is this a chemist? This looks like a chemist. Come on, give me some, okay, I'll take all the soap. Give me some rat away. I go to first person again. Radix, Radix. Maybe I can get some. Maybe I can make some rat away. Up here. Safe. Nothing in here, okay. Well, see, I would have missed that. Right. Wait a minute, I saw guys. Hooligans. Okay, let's take advantage of our weapons range here. Saw you ran across. I rushed that shot. Whoa! couple of them up high, too.
Shit.
Where'd he go? Not playing this very well. So these guys are on an upper level somewhere. Damn. Oh, hang on here. Gonna throw a Molotov at me. Ah! I was gonna shoot the Molotov and I messed up. Reload. Well, the reload time on this is terrible. Oh, I'm injured. Right. Use a stim pack. Let's favor these. Put them on 0. There's more of them up there. Frag grenade. Gonna have to figure out how to get up there. Well, let's stay on task. Oh, what did I miss there? So where's Nadia? Nadia's over here somewhere. Discovered, do it yourself. We'll go there in a minute. When we get to Nadia. So she's on the other side of this building. Alright, let's come this way. How am I going to get on that roof? That's the other thing I got to think about. Okay, there she is. Okay, so she's got a trading post. Very cool. Lots of... Oh, I can't borrow any... Alright, fine. Hi, Nadia.
Hello, hello. I guess I have you to thank. Those hooligans were ruining my lovely shop. What a mess, what a mess. Oh yes, yes. Good old vagabonds looking after us measly shopkeepers. Us poor lowly dealers subject to the whims and terrors of fate. We're very grateful, we are. Well, well, I have that Winston fellow's package here. Take it to me, will ya? My usual runner got scared off and now I've got some clear up to do. But listen here, I am grateful to you for helping out. You need some supplies? I will give you the best prices. All
Oh!
ethically sourced, of course. How can I help you? Quality goods at fair prices.
What do you got? So... Pistols, grenades, mines, Molotovs, service rifles, short-barreled shotgun, submachine gun. Oh, that's a big improvement over my service rifle. Oh, good. You even have aid. This is awesome. Do you have any, and you've got Radaway at horrible prices. Oh, all right. I'm going to cheat because I know I'm going to need one of these later on. They're horribly expensive here. Let's see. What can I sell you? Oh, I'm not wearing the right police Under Armour. Okay, I gotta put that on. Hesitant to sell this stuff. For the pumpkins. Let me get rid of the roach meat. Red shrew meat. Gotta keep those. So what are the reborn money? I'm gonna hang on to the pound coins because I saw some vending machines would take that. So this is an important item. Okay, let's go ahead and take this. Didn't get any other.
See ya.
I didn't get anything else, but all right, let's go.
Hey, it's on.
Oh, jeez, Louise. Where'd they go? Was not expecting that. There. Alright, no, let's stay on task. Back this way. Whoa, whoa. Jeez Louise. Why am I not hitting him? It's a dead end here. All kinds of interesting things over here, but I'm not going to go. I got to get back and continue this quest. Wolfies? Oh, it's a computer shop. Okay. Not right now. Let's get back to the Swan and Miter. Maybe you can find Churchill. Submachine gun might be nice to have. Looked like a Sten. There we go.
You got the delivery then? Thanks for that. And I'm glad Nadia's okay. She's one of my sharpest suppliers. I found the part for the radio you were after. Here you are. If you need a workbench to fix it, check with Bullet-Tooth Anthony. He's usually down the basement.
Right.
More bodies getting shite done never hurt anything. Hello again, sunshine. What you after? No chance, sunshine. I'm trying to fix up an old laser rifle I found, and it's laid out in 100 pieces right now. You dare mess that up, and I'll have your head off. But look, you find me a piece to replace an old crystalline photon agitator, and I'll be able to finish it off. Then the workbench is all yours.
So, already have one.
Ah, lovely jubbly. Here we are. A fully restored Upton Burke Class C laser rifle. Ain't it a beaut? Absolute shite that keeps breaking after 10 shots, mind, but it'll bugger up anything it hits before then. Now, you had some gizmo you wanted patched up. Hand it here, and I'll sort it for you. Let's see, out with the old, in with the new. I can tidy these frayed wires too. This is quite the old bit of junk Nelson's hanging on to. Well, it's all fixed, but it looks like the battery is knackered. I've got none of the right sort here, but Johnny Shrapnel should have him in spades. He's usually hanging out back, by the chem station.
Alright.
Oi, get your mitts off that. I'm in the middle of fixing something there, and I don't want you ruining it.
Well, now I gotta go find.
If you hang round, wouldn't hurt none. We need the numbers. Aye, aye. If it ain't that lab rat, the fuck you on? Could help, sure. But I've got my own problems to worry about. Listen, give me an hand with something delicate and I'll see what I can sort for you. Mickey's been having a barney at me for blowing up his hat. And yes, I did blow up his hat. And don't you mind how or why. But at the end of the day, it's just some damn cloth. Right? Well, Fancy Pants Mickey don't see it that way. And I can't keep going on with him giving me the evil eye all day. He's freaking me the fuck out. So I found him something to make up for things. But if I go trying to give it to him myself, I just know I'll say something stupid and ruin it. Why don't you go have a go at delivering it for me? Make him accept the damned apology and I can sort you out with a new battery.
Okay. And now we gotta go.
My mother wanted me to be a farmer, but I get my hands dirty in other ways.
Hello, Gov. My name's Mickey. Can I help you with something? So that shrapnel brain pillock thinks he can just fong me with some token. That was my favourite hat he ruined. Tell him to fuck off.
Well, alright, hang on.
Does he really? That's pretty new for Johnny. Well, alright then. I'll take his apology if it means that much to him. Thanks, Gov.
Mind your P's and Q's or you'll mind my bullets.
Hey, you get Mickey to take the gift? smashing. I wasn't sure how that would go. I'm glad he didn't try to kill you. Now, you wanted a battery for that radio. Give it here, and I'll see what I've got. Blimey, this is old. Where do you even get something as taunted as this? I'll have to wire up a couple of 9 volts to get this to work. Let's see. Here you go. All done. And thanks once more for your help with Mickey.
All right.
If I had it my way, you wouldn't dare show your face here.
Well, yeah, some of these comments after I help people.
You got the radio done up? You took your damn time about it. Where'd you go to fix it? Azerbaijan? Well, better late than never, I guess. Cheers. Don't know what I'd do without this. Now, let's have a listen to what's happening out in the smoke.
Make sure you're all on high alert. The execution of the Vagabond prisoner will take place in Induskin Square in Millwall. We're expecting a massive crowd, so we need all hands on deck. If you're IODS in Millwall, be there. We're gonna send a message to these 2-bit punks. Nobody bombs a Syndicate train station and gets away with it.
Oh, for fuck's sake, turn that damn thing off. Why'd you even bring me this stupid radio anyway? You were just trying to upset me, weren't you? Where's Yvette? She's the one who vouched for you. I'm gonna give her a piece of my mind.
Let's see, I really blame me for what's wrong. Are you kidding? Do you know I went through to fix it? I'm just on a mission or something.
Oh shit, that's right. God damn it! What? Oh no, I'm fine. Hey, listen, mate. Sorry I lost it on you a second ago. You did good with the radio. I need you to do something else for me now. Something much more important. A rescue of sorts. I need you to go to Millwall and make sure Yvette hasn't done anything too stupid. And if she has, I need you to unfuck the situation. She's got roots there. And you don't need to be Sherlock fucking Holmes to figure out she's going to make sure that poor soul headed to the hangman isn't one of her people. Bring Yvette back in one piece and I'll make it worth your while. Millwall is absolutely lousy with Syndicate dogs. You can't throw a bloody rock without hitting one of them and it bouncing off and hitting a relative they're shagging. If they find out you're with us, you'll be ripped apart by rabid dogs before you can say Bob's your uncle. You should be fine, because you're a fucking nobody, but regardless, you should keep a low profile. I don't know the whole story, just what I've been told. She had a brother once upon a time. Apparently he found himself in the wrong place at the wrong time, and the Syndicate did what the Syndicate does to rival gang members. Turned him into kibble. So, obviously, she has a bit of an axe to grind, but so does everyone else here, so who gives a shit? Just another Syndicate sob story. Join the bloody club. Scum of the fucking earth. Calling them the Isle of Dog Syndicate is an insult to mutts everywhere. Isle of bloody sheep shaggers and pikeys is more like it.
Yes.
Just saying their name puts a bad taste in my mouth. It weren't always like that, though. We used to be allies. Right up until they plunged a knife in our backs and stole what's rightfully ours. They took almost everything. Our territory, our rackets, Gabriel. The bastards brutalised him. He was my best mate, and he made the Vagabonds a name to be feared in East London. But he's the one who made the mistake to trust them. I hate to say it, but he brought it on himself, and by extension all of us. Anyway, listen to me going on like a chatty housewife after Sunday service. All you need to know is the Syndicate is bad fucking news. Keep clear of them if possible. Gabe gone. Seb's dad. He were our fearless leader until he decided to trust the dogs. Led us through the first gang war years back, he did. He were an incredible strategist, ruthless. But deep down he wanted to see the good in people. A right foolish mistake in times like these. Paid for it with his life and the lives of most of our men. We came up together. He really was the best man I've ever known. But he's also the reason we're having this conversation in a dilapidated old pub as the Vagabonds scrap and claw for even a fraction of what we once had. Needless to say, my feelings about him are a bit complicated. All right. Brilliant. Head north to Millwall and don't come back until you find a vet. Tell her Blind Nelson's looking for her. The fastest route across the Thames is through the Greenwich Foot Tunnel.
Okay. So, where's me dog?
More bodies getting shot done, never hurt anything.
I don't remember seeing him upstairs. Let's go outside and see if he shows up. Maybe if I just do a fast travel, that might be a better way to try to get him back. I don't think he's carrying much on him, but I don't like it when a companion goes missing like that. Yes, I've leveled up.
All the cowards, if you ask me.
Try fast travel. I want to go down to Nadia's trading post. See if Churchill shows up. Backpacks. Oh, I need to find a backpack. Other backpacks and canvas back. Both have been found in London and modified at armor workbenches. That's nice. And there he is. Hey, buddy. Well, you did have a bunch of stuff on you. Okay. Okay, come on here. Let's go talk to Nadia.
Anything catch your eye?
Let's see what you
Take
got.
a look.
First thing I want to do is get rid of some of this stuff I don't need. Gonna hang on to the longsword. Gotta put on the riot armor. That. $260. That's almost all my money. Do. It's 15 damage. 9mm pistol does 18. I might be able to modify it. We're going to give it a try. Now I'm down to no money. All right.
See ya.
All right. How am I doing time-wise? I'm almost at the end here. Back here, let's take this submachine gun, and I want to put that on 2 as a favored. The other thing is, let's take 1 point of leveling up. Might be where I take rifleman. Rifleman or locksmith. Locksmith might be the better thing to do. Alright, I have to think about that. Alright, so let's do one more fast travel. And this time we're going to go to the... I'm not going to go meet her coming back here to the Thames Market. I want to turn in the dress. And then maybe use the weapons bench to modify the machine gun. Over here.
My heroes returned. I knew you were my hero.
Oh, 100 caps? Holy mackerel. Got some Radaway and stim packs? Awesome. Yeah, you think little side quests like that wouldn't be so valuable, but man, that was huge. Let's come over here. Now where's my dog? Hey, Churchill. Give me everything. Must not have been that much. How much? Well, just about all my... Let's see if we can craft something here.
The surface world gets louder and louder each day.
Armor piercing. hardened. When can I do gun nut 2? I want to fire stock, standard magazine. Scope. That's interesting. It doesn't.
One day, I'll take my family to see the surface. One day.
It gives a little bit of accuracy, but it doesn't change damage. Interesting. Hang on here. Let's exit this for a second. What level can I take gun nut to? Level 13, so it's got a while before I can do anything like that, so I don't want to do that. I'm still down to, like, I'm thinking locksmith or rifleman. Alright, so let's what can I do with this?
Hopefully the ferry
Wow.
will get us some mitten lurk eggs soon. They're delicious.
That's probably worth it. Take it from 45 to 67.
You're at the wrong house. Sun's gone.
My hounds learned to swim today. So proud of them.
Get out. You kid.
Hang on that. Go to the machine gun. Go hardened.
Nothing like a swim in our Thames to make you feel alive.
That really gives it a lot more range. That takes its range to 0. I wonder if that's a bug. No, it says poor range. It's almost like an assassin's gun now. No, I think if we do anything, we would do this. Give us a bit more
Let
range.
the surface dwellers kill each other. We'll be safe here.
It actually drops the value. Why does it drop the value? Stays at 19. These actually increase
You smell that?
because it adds
It's
the
the
range.
Thames calling to us.
That adds range, but it drops the value. Kind of the same thing. This almost looks like a bug in it. I'm gonna go ahead and do it.
Haven, you are my pride.
And I'm gonna keep it at full auto. Alright. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the flare gun. It does 10 damage though. Let's exit this. And then over here. Can I make ballistic ammo? Can't make 9mm because I have no lead. Alright. There we go.
Sea devils, warriors of the deep.
I think this is where I'm going to end it. Our plan is going to be what? I'm not going to do this. We're going to do Land of the Seraph. We're going to find Archie. And I'm not going to investigate the Cthulian dolls at this point. That's over here, so we're going to find our way over there. So that's for another episode. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really liking this game. And, you know, full disclosure, I got about this far in my earlier tests. Actually, I do get to find Archie. And I actually do get a little bit further because I'm able to get actually get my first settlement. So my plan's going to be to go up here, get Archie, get that done. And then I'll probably come back down here and do a little bit of exploring in the Churchill Library, the do-it-yourself, Nadia's Trading, but just run around down in this area over here. So I know there's a police station down here too that has some really good armor in it. We'll leave the Queen's house alone, leave the Jacktars alone. So again, thank you very much for watching. Everybody have a terrific day.